Hi guys, this is Umu and welcome back to Kadi Recipes. In this video I'm going to show you how to make gras, the West African rice for a big family. So stay tuned for this video and I will show you the recipe. So I have my chicken here. I already washed the chicken with salt and some vinegar. I use some hard chicken, but you can use any type of chicken you like. If you can get the local chicken, it's more delicious. So I'm going to add everything in my pot. For the spices, I will use black pepper. Then I will add some garlic. I have 3 grated garlic here. And a little bit of fresh ginger that I already grated. Then I will add some curry powder. And now I will also add some paprika. This is my homemade beyond cube. I'm going to add a half tablespoon of that. And I will mix everything together. And then I will add some salt to taste, not too much because in my homemade seasoning there is already salt in it. Now I'm going to cover this and let this cook for a few minutes, like 10 minutes or until the liquid is almost absorbed, and then we'll be back. So I'm going to mix all my ingredients together. So I will put in my mixer and then mix it. You can use a blender if you like. Garlic, hot pepper, these are green bell pepper. I'm going to use some onion and also some scallop. If you can get these, you can use them or you can just omit it. So I will add some parsley, basil leaf and green onions. Everything is well mixed together. Now I'm going to cook. You can see now my chicken is almost ready. I'm going to stop the cooking and fry my chicken. So we are going to use a big pot for this recipe and then we will add the oil. So I added 600 milliliters of oil for now. When the oil is hot, add a little bit of onion to give it a nice flavor. Now we are going to fry the chicken until brown. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do it now for more delicious African recipes. Now that my chicken is brown, I'm going to remove this and set aside. But do not throw away the bouillon you had from the chicken. To this I'm going to add a little bit of the mixture, the onion mixture we already made. Now I'm going to add my tomato paste. The quantity of tomato paste you use will depend on how red you want your gras to be. If you want it to be very red, you add this. Now I'm going to add the remaining of my onion mixture. To this I'm going to add my bouillon. I have here some fresh tomato. I'm going to mash them and add in my sauce. Now I'm going to add my vegetable. You can use the vegetable you like. I'm going to add the fried chicken. I'm going to cover with water. I'm going to cover this and let it all cooked. Now after 30 minutes, I'm going to remove my vegetables. I'm going to add my favorite spices. This is curry powder. This is black pepper. This is a dry herb I'm going to add. It's optional. This is some seasoning. I'm going to add 1 bay leaf. So I have my rice here. I use some jasmine broken rice. I'm going to add water on it to clean my rice. add my rice. So I'm going to add the water. I will add around 4 liters of water for 3 kilograms of rice, but it depends on the type of rice you use. Now I'm going to add salt to taste. Now I'm going to reduce the heat and let this cook on low heat. It's been cooking for 10 minutes, so I'm going to flip my rice.